Hello programmers, in this video I will show you how to create a Spring Boot project using STS. So if you have STS means click on file, click on new, click on Spring Starter project. So here you can give your project name whatever you wish, like Spring Boot project 1 something like that. So and give your group, artifact and version and description and your package. So that's it. Then you can select like you want which type packaging, either jar or var language Java version. So then click on next. So this is the important. See here, this is the starter dependencies. You can select what are the dependencies you want. Now I want Spring Web. That means now I want to build a one RESTful web service. For that I select this one. So if I want to deal with any database related means at the time we will select like Spring Data, JPA, MySQL, something like that. So we will discuss that things on the later things. So click on finish. Like it will be generate the project here. See, it is importing. So if you don't have STS, then there is a one option is there. If you like open any your favorite browser like Spring Boot initializer, search like this, then click on the first link. See, this is the same thing whatever we seen previously, same thing here also, like man project, language, version, like group ID, whatever the things you can select like Java version. The same like here also add the dependencies. What are the dependencies you want, you can add here. So once everything is done means you can simply click on here, then it will be generated like this. One zip file will be generated, so you can unzip, then you can import in your IDE like this. Right click, then import existing non project. Right? Yeah, I think all the things will be downloaded here. So we focus on the creating the REST endpoint now. So now I create one class, so that I will be map that one. Go to class, get the package. So it will be controller, then something like employee REST controller. Yeah, that's it. Then click, it is created new package, make it @REST controller. REST controller, that's it. Now create one model, click on class. So not to control package, you can maintain like model something. Then employee, yeah, click on finish. Then create some, yeah. Now click on generate setter, getters, whatever you want you can do. Sometimes constructors also, like using fields. Create more constructor. Now model class is ready. Now go to your REST controller. Now write one method public list. Now my intention is I want to provide list of employees. So do like this, employee, like it all employees. Now we will hardcode, we will print that one. In later session we will be get from the database. We need to create arrays. Okay. So here what I will do is like new employee with fields. So 25, salary maybe 95,000, comma. So create few other objects also. So I need to here give whatever you wish. Yeah, now it is ready. So what we need to do is we need to map this one. Like for that we have get mapping. So right here like employees. If anyone hit employees means then we will be provide this thing. Now save everything. Now everything's ready. Now right click run as Spring Boot. By default it will be run on the 8080. If anything problem is, then we will be change in application.property, we will change, but I think everything is going okay. See, 8080. Now open in your favorite browser. Now localhost 8080 employees like this. Yeah, see, now we are returning the list of employees. I hope you enjoyed this video. In upcoming session, we will discuss other things related to Spring Boot. Okay. Yeah, thanks for watching.